And the award went to, hi, I'm Ray Williams. Damian Marley wins 3rd Grammy for Best Reggae Album as Shaggy showcases his new single with Sting at the 60th Awards ceremony in New York City. Cause for celebration, but also some social media trolling.
The 2018 Reggae Grammy seen as a toss-up between Stony Hill and Chronology, but on Sunday the award going to Damian Marley, his 3rd Best Album nod from the Recording Academy.
Every album that has ever won a Marley a Grammy has been a high-quality album with very few mistakes, if any. So the truth is, they are always top standard, never below par with the work. And I said this wholeheartedly and confidently because I'm there. I know the process. I know how intricate they are with quality standards and maintaining it and living up to Bob Marley's legacy.
If you listen from a technical perspective, you understand why Damon would win, regardless of his name. It's a beauty. They're both great albums. Chronixx is young, he's still growing, he's still experimenting and developing his sound and so on. And I think he has a brilliant future ahead of him. Several Grammys, of course, but I think Damon does deserve the win for this.
Others, however, seeing Marley's win as an unfair loss for Chronixx.
Oh yes, they did come out. Persons were dissatisfied that Damian Marley won. They loved the album, but they wanted to see their hero win. Chronixx is the hero for Generation Y, and they wanted to see him walk away with the gramophone.
Can't wait to give me last name.
Jamaican star Shaggy on the Grammy main stage and also in a skit, in both cases alongside Sting, with whom he's recording an album.
Jamaicans, Caribbean nationals, everybody stood up when we saw Shaggy step out on stage with Sting, and when the music went down and he said,
I'm a Jamaican in New York.
That was a Caribbean pride felt all around the world. All the diaspora stood up, and Complex magazine tweeted in a most distasteful way about Shaggy being on stage means that anything is possible in 2018. And Twitter did go in on them, and I believe they pulled the tweet, and it was just a night for Shaggy, a night for Jamaica.
Back home, Shaggy at the Bustamante Hospital for Children, gifting proceeds from Shaggy and friends to his long-running charity, a whopping 100 million JA handed over.
I never normally set goals. My wife basically make a goal this year, and if you know my wife like why I know, when she says she'll do something that I do. So we made it. That's the main thing. We made it. And it was for a good cause, and it's for something that is important, the ICU. We need space to build this ICU. We need to not shut this current ICU down to build a new one. So there's a lot of discussions that's going on. Hopefully we can do it and do it in a timely manner, and improve it from 5 beds to 10 to at least 10.
Were you disappointed that In Touch and Complex appeared to question your presence at the Grammys?
I'm used to them coming at me. This is the fuel to my fire. I take anything that is lost and turn it into the lesson, turn the L around, you always make it. And we're doing it. You know, you look at the numbers after Don't Make Me Wait, after we did the Grammys, you look at the numbers that are going on. Numbers don't lie, and we're doing well.
The Reggae Grammy, the big story this year for most Jamaicans. But the big winner, Bruno Mars.
Yes, Bruno Mars won all the major categories of the night. Record of the year, album of the year, and he won over Jay-Z, who lost in every single nominated category.
And what does that say?
And that means that the Grammys recognize what the pulse of music is now. It's Bruno Mars' time. 10 years ago it was Jay-Z's time. Now it's Bruno Mars' time. And that's why I believe other cultures and other musical genres should move on and nominate people who are actually running the pulse of each genre right now.
Yeah, I know we'll turn heads